Hi guys, Facebook, YouTube. I'm actually doing a demo right now for a client that she wants to get her floors done. There is some wax buildup. I just doing a demo now. I put a emulsifier down here and you can just see, look at that wax. And it's not her fault. You know, you get over the counter products like Mop and Glow, Quick Shine, all those kind of things. The problem with that is, guys, is it's not bond to the floor, okay? It's not meant to bond to your floor. With solid hardwood, you have polyurethane on there, so it does not bond. That's why it looks good for a moment, but then it changes this color, and then, you know, this happens. So never put that stuff on there, guys, and as well as engineered floor, because engineered floors have a aluminum oxide on there as well, and it still doesn't bond. So I'm doing a little demo for her, as you can see. That's gonna go well. So she's gonna get a wax removal. And then she did want to do a screen and recoat with a sheen level of semi-gloss. So yeah, this is the demo. Just gonna educate you guys. It is responding well. The emulsifier is on here now, and this should look good. Look at that, how beautiful that is, the original texture. So we'll wipe this up. And then we'll do a clean and buff. We'll clean and buff this to make it to original texture. And then she did want the, like I said, the semi-gloss sheen, but yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Yep, and again, this process is crucial right now. We will remove all this wax on her floor. And then that is one service. And then we will also do a screen recoat. So then that'll be another service. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching.